So now we will be doing revision of the sales book. Now, what do we record in the sales book? We record credit sale of goods which are dealt by the business. Do we record cash sales in the sales book? No, right? It's not recorded here.
No, and sale of assets is not recorded.
Correct. Credit sale of assets is also not recorded here. Where is this recorded? Cash sales? In the cash. And where is the credit sale of assets recorded?
Journal proper.
Journal proper. Very good. Now, this sales book is also in the form of a statement. The format would be in the form of a statement. Very similar to your purchase book, nothing different. There you're going to have the date, that is the date of transaction you're going to write. You're going to have the particulars column where you'll write the name of your customer and the details of the items that has been sold. Then there would be less trade discount and any additions made of any cost that will be added there. Then next column will be the invoice number column, followed by the ledger folio. Then again the details of whatever has been sold, the details would be here. Then that would be separated. And instead of cost, what we'll have? Sales value. Then the different expenses like freight, packing, whatever it is, that we'll have separate columns and then the total columns. This is how we are going to record in the sales book. And while recording, similar to the purchases book that we had learned, we would be taking the list price of that particular item. That is the quantity into the rate. That would be written. From that, first what we'll deduct? The trade discount. And on the amount which is there, we would add any expenses like freight or carriage or cartage or packing, whatever it is. And whatever amount you get, that is the invoice price of the goods that has been sold. Clear?
Yes.
What is the use of maintaining such sales book separately? Same as purchase book. Now, how many sales are going to take place in a single day? So, there is a lot of volume of transaction which we are trying to separate from other transaction, keep it separate in a sales book. The posting becomes very easier. The posting part I will explain to you. It is similar to the purchase book. The total, whatever we have in the sales value column, that would go to the sales account. Expenses would go to the expense account, and individually whatever total we have written here would go to the debit of the customer's account in the ledger. So posting is very easy. Then checking is also very easy, because when you want to check a particular transaction, like you want to know about the sales, that is especially credit sale, you just have to go and open the sales day book and you'll get all the details from there. Don't have to go searching for sales transaction in one single journal, which would be maintained if you don't have subsidiary books. And also periodic totals you can get at any point of time. You want the total sales of a particular month which has already passed, like now you're in December month, you want to know the sale in the month of August. Just go to that particular page in the sales day book and add it up. You would have the totals there. The totals you can take, and periodic totals would be readily available to you. So these are the uses of sales book. Clear?
Yes.
Now let's do the illustration 4 on page number 11.10. Illustration 4 on 11.10. So we prepare the format for that. It is from the following transaction: Messrs. Ridhima Sales Kolkata prepare sales book. March 1 sold goods to Gayatri Tea Assam by invoice number. We're selling tea to them, less trade discount. March 4th also sold goods to Mohan and Sons Kolkata. Invoice number, again you have said Amul Butter, trade discount is involved. March 5th, sold to Messrs. Gary Sons Delhi. Invoice number, again tea is sold, trade discount, but here you have freight and packing charges, both which have been separately charged in the invoice. So we'll prepare separate columns for freight and then for packing charges. Then on March 6th, we have sold 10 kg Amul butter to Ganguly Brothers for cash. Be careful, it's for cash. Although the name of the customer is given, Ganguly Brothers, note that it's for cash. So, will be recorded here. Will be recorded here. March 6th, say, transaction.
Could you repeat?
March 6th transaction sold 10 kg Amul butter to Ganguly Brothers for cash at 250 per kg. Will be recorded.
So it won't be recorded.
Correct. So just don't see that it's sold, they have sold Amul butter, that is a good, and then sold to Ganguly Brothers and start doing it. For cash, we'll ensure that you should not record it here. Write a note for that. And March 7th, sold office furniture to Raman and Co. for 10,000. Shall we record it here? March 7th transaction.
On March 7th, what's the transaction?
Transaction is sold office furniture to Raman and Co. for 10,000.
Journal proper.
Yes, because it is office furniture. It's an asset which got sold, not goods. So we ignore that and write a note for that too. We will not record it here. So we are going to record only 3 transactions. So come on, prepare the format. Write on the top the name Messrs. Ridhima Sales, Kolkata. Sales book. Date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, details. Then we have the sale value. There we have the cost in purchases book. But in sales book, we have the sale value. Then we have the expenses. In this question, we saw that there was freight and there was packing charges. 2 items. And the total. So 2022, let's start. Once you're ready, let me know. Ready?
Yes.
So first transaction is 2022 March 1st. Sold goods to Messrs. Gayatri T. Assam. Invoice number is 2005. What is sold? 3 chairs. T. For 5,000 per chest. So this directly we can multiply. It will be 15,000. Less trade discount 5%. Less trade discount at the rate of 5%. 10% is 1,500. So 750. So it comes to 14,250. So this is the sale value. We'll write it here. There is no expenses in this transaction. So total to be posted to Gayatri T Assam would be 14,250. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one on March 4th. Sold to Messrs. Mohan and Sons, Kolkata. So write Messrs. Mohan and Sons, Kolkata. Wide invoice number 2006. What is sold? 20 kg of Amul butter at the rate of rupees 250 per kg. It's 20 kg, 250 per kg. Multiply. It comes to 5,000. Less trade discount, again 5%. So write less trade discount at the rate of 5%. 5% would be 250. So 4750. So what's the sale value? 4750. No expenses. So that amount only is going to go to the Mohan and Sons account in the ledger. Got it? So far?
Yes, ma'am.
This part, March 5th transaction. Let me extend the book. Sold to Messrs. Gary and Sons. So write Messrs. Gary and Sons, Delhi. Wide invoice number 2007. 20 kg Assam tea. Assam tea. At the rate of rupees 600 per kg. 600 into 20 would be 12,000. Less trade discount 5%. So we reduce that. Less trade discount at the rate of 5%, that will be 600. So 11,400. Then there's a freight 1,000. Add freight 1,000. And packing charges 600. Packing charges 600 was separately charged on that invoice. That's it. So total this up. This would be 12 plus 13,000. How would this be posted? The sale value would be less trade discount wala value 11,400. 1,000 will go in the freight column. 600 would go in the packing charges column, and the total of this would go to the debit of Gary and Sons, Delhi. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
And we will just total it. Total all the columns. Sales value is 30,400, 1,600 and 32,000. In respect of next two transactions, just write a note. The cash sales and credit sale of furniture is not recorded in the purchases daybook. Once you're done with this, let me know. I will teach you the posting of the sales daybook. Yeah?
2 minutes.
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will post this. For the posting purpose, what would be the journal entry? You have to post into sales an amount. What would be the amount? You can tell me. Sales account would be
30,400.
sales would be credited to sales account 30,400. Then these expenses would be credited. Freight 1,000, packing charges 600, and individually we would debit those debtors. That is Messrs. Gayatri T. Assam with 14,250. So you will write Gayatri T. Assam account debit 14,250. The second was Messrs. Mohar and Sons, Kolkata, account debit 4,750, and Messrs. Gary Sons, Delhi, account debit with 13,000. So this way you debit the debtors individually and credit sales and the freight and packing charges with their respective amount. Is the posting of sales book into the ledger account clear? Is it clear? Any doubts?
One second. No doubts.
Individually like this, the total column that we have, it will go into the debtors account. And from the totals, the sales value total will go to the sales, and whatever is individual expenses that would go into that expenses will credit it.